Hello friends, welcome to Fin Ideas. Today we are going to discuss option strategies when option volatility is very high. That means when implied volatility is running at very high level or the options premium are very expensive, at that time which strategy can make very good returns. So friends, call ratio front spread and put ratio front spread are the strategies which are very good when option volatility is very high. Like the current election type of scenario, we are having very high premium of options, so at that time we can opt these two strategies in stock options. So we are taking the example of Reliance as of now. The yesterday's closing price of Reliance was 994. I am sharing market watch of Reliance with you. This is May future, 29th May is the expiry of May month. So May future of Reliance is running at 993.65. Here we are having the strike price of Reliance. These are the premium of call options and these are the premium of put options. So the 1000 call option is running at 48 rupees while 1060 call is running at 26.50. So for making call ratio front spread, I am copying all this data on Excel. So I have pasted all this data over here. These are the strike, call premium and put premium. We are going to buy one call option of 1000 strike and we will sell two call options, double call options of 1060 strike. So this will become call ratio front spread. So as we have bought one call option of 1000 strike, so we are going to pay 48 rupees premium, and as we have sold 1060 strike double calls, so we are going to receive 26.50 multiplied by 2, that is 53 rupees. So now I am showing you the payoff graph of this strategy. When we make call ratio front spread, we will have the payoff graph like this. On lower side we are going to have limited profit of rupees 5, that is 48 minus 53. On upper side, first we will start making money till 1060, then our profit will start reducing, so around at 1120 or 1130 that will become my break even, and above 1130 I will have unlimited loss. So friends, as of now the price is around 990 while I am having the break even of 1130, so that is almost 140 rupees, I can say around 15%. So if Reliance will not cross 15% on upper side, till that level I am going to have profit everywhere. On downside I am making money, on little upper side I am making money, after that my profit is reducing. I am going to lose money only after 1130, and I can keep my stop loss around 1100 or 1090 or 1120. I can keep the stop loss. If Reliance from 990, if it crosses 1120, I can get exit from the market. So the call ratio front spread can generate returns when the option volatility is running at very high level. I can show you the payoff table also with you. On downside I am making 1250 rupees profit. As soon as market starts going above 1000, my profit is increasing from 1250 to 3750 to 6250 and so on. At 1060 I am having highest profit of 16250. After that my profit start reducing. I can keep my stop loss somewhere around 1100, 1110 or 1120, and above 1120 my loss will start generating. We can also see the payoff graph of middle days. Like I have shown you the payoff graph of expiry, now I am showing you the payoff graph of tomorrow, day after tomorrow and all this. So these are the different lines showing you the payoff graph of different days. So this line shows that as soon as I will reach to the expiry, my profit will be the highest. So that indirectly means as I will pass the time passes or the decay of time value will also make money in my account. Similarly, call ratio front spread makes unlimited loss after 11:30, so we can buy one out of the money option to hedge ourselves. So if we do not want to make unlimited loss type scenario in our strategy, then we can buy one out of the money option, then this strategy will convert into butterfly strategy. Now the second strategy is put ratio front spread. Put ratio front spread is almost similar like call ratio front spread. The difference between call ratio front spread and put ratio front spread is that in call ratio front spread we buy at the money call and we sell double out of the money calls, while in put ratio front spread we buy at the money put. Instead of call we are buying here put, and again instead of selling out of the money calls here, in put ratio front spread we will sell out of the money put options. So when we are using call option it becomes call ratio front spread, and when we are using put options it becomes put ratio front spread. So again I will buy 1000 strike put option here and I will sell double put option of 940 strike, that is out of the money put options, to recover this premium. As I have paid 52 rupees, so when I sell double quantity of 25 rupee premium, I will almost recover my premium paid. So now I am showing you the payoff graph of put ratio front spread. The payoff graph of put ratio front spread is like this. Now the mountain is on little bit lower side, so when we are having slightly downside view, at that time we should make put ratio front spread, and when we are having slightly upside view, at that time we should make call ratio front spread. So friends, again if I want to avoid the unlimited loss scenario, I can buy some out of the money put option to protect the unlimited losses. Friends, by this way we can use this strategy when options volatility is very high. I hope you must have liked this YouTube. If you like it, don't forget to click on like button. You can also subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get the notification whenever we upload new videos. Once again, thanks for visiting finideas.com. Thank you.